Okay, so we're going to be setting up this dash cam and showing you guys how this thing works today. It does have a backup camera. It's going to record. It's going to do all that stuff. Let's go ahead and get it out of the package, and I'll show you how I'm going to set it up. Okay, so opening up the box, you get your quick setup card. So this is going to give you a little quick rundown of how you need to set it up. And while we are setting everything up, I'm going to go ahead and download the app. I have an Android here, so I'm just going to scan this QR code. And we're going to install the app. So you have your anti-ESD little sticker here that you're going to be sticking to the windshield, and subsequently sticking the dash cam to the ESD pad. We have our power cord here that is going to plug right into my cigarette lighter, and you can use a different USB-C cord if you need to power this thing. You don't have to use this cord. Any USB-C cord will work. So if you don't have a cigarette lighter, that's fine. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and install our anti-static classic right here. And then to put the dash cam in itself, just gonna peel this 3M red cover off, stick it right there. And you can see this dash cam actually looks at the passengers, the inside of the vehicle, as well as out the front. And like I said, has a backup camera too that I'm going to go install that now. And I'll show you guys where I have the backup camera installed after we do the inside. Okay, so we are going to go ahead and plug this in.
Please format the SD card.
And as you heard, whenever you first install this thing, it asks you to format the SD card. So as you can see in your quick setup guides here, it says please single press the power button or connect to the app process to format the SD card. So that's what we're going to do. Press it, and there you go. It formatted the SD card, and it just started recording. And we are going to go ahead and connect the rear camera just right up top there. Okay, so I'm going to cycle power on the dash cam. Plug it back in now. And the Wi-Fi for the dash cam should pop up. Okay, so I have officially connected to the internet. I actually had to end up putting it to 2.5G. What you're going to do is hold the power button for 3 seconds, and it can switch it from 5G to 2.5G. So I had to do that with this phone. I guess it's an older phone, and that's why I couldn't do it. But we are going to connect it there. And the Wi-Fi symbol on the camera turned green. And now you can see that is the front. And I just took a picture of that. Go ahead and do it this way. Full screen it if you want. And then we can pull our files here. See, this is all the files and everything like that. You can see me walking in front. And this is me messing with all of the settings, because like I said, this camera right here is looking into the dash. Come back. We're going to swap cameras. And you see here, there's me. So it looks at everyone inside the vehicle. Do it one more time. And that is behind the vehicle with the rear camera installed up on top of the truck. And it looks like it's upside down actually. So there you go. So it's going to record everything on a 24-hour loop on the SD card itself. You can remove that, and you can put it into your camera or into your computer or your laptop, something like that, to pull the files off of the SD card. Or you can pull the app up like I have here and pull the files off from the app. So that's this dash cam. It as you can see, it looks really nice. Even the rear camera, I mean, it's really high quality, pretty much like my backup camera is. You can see out the front, it's a really nice quality camera, and even the windshield's dirty right now because it's raining. So even in the rain, you're gonna be able to see it, and it's kind of dark right now. So that's this dash cam, and that's how you set it up. I'm Jace. I'll see you next time.